Book Summary of Money and the Law of Attraction, Learning to Attract Wealth, Health and Happiness by Esther Hicks and Jerry Hicks. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, we share life-transforming content to help you create the life of your dreams. Today, we're diving into Money and the Law of Attraction by Esther and Jerry Hicks, a brilliant book that teaches you how to attract financial abundance, health, and happiness by aligning your thoughts and energy with the universe. If you're ready to become a magnet for money and prosperity, let's jump in. The first key takeaway from this book is that your thoughts shape your reality. Everything in your life, your financial situation, your career, your opportunities, starts with the energy you project through your thoughts and feelings. When you focus on abundance, gratitude, and positivity, you attract wealth and success into your life. But if you constantly worry about lack, you're unintentionally broadcasting scarcity, and that's exactly what the universe reflects back to you. The Hickses outline a simple but powerful process. Ask, align, and allow. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Ask. Get clear and specific about what you want. Instead of saying, "I want more money," define your desires with clarity. I want an extra £10,000 by the end of the year to fund my dream holiday. Clarity is everything. The clearer you are, the easier it is for the universe to deliver. Step 2. Align. This is about tuning your thoughts, feelings, and energy to match your desires. Ask yourself, how would I feel if I already had the financial abundance I want? Would you feel joyful, free, or grateful? Focus on cultivating those feelings in your daily life, because your emotions send powerful signals to the universe. Step 3. Allow. This step is about trusting the process. Many people block their manifestations by doubting or stressing over how their desires will come to fruition. The Hickses remind us, it's not your job to figure out the how. Your job is to stay aligned and open, trusting that the universe will guide you in the right direction. Now, let's talk about vibration. The Hickses explain that everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency, including your thoughts and emotions. Positive thoughts, like gratitude, excitement, and joy, vibrate at a high frequency. Negative thoughts, like fear, doubt, and stress, vibrate at a low frequency. To attract money, you need to raise your vibrational frequency to match the energy of abundance. How do you do that? One of the most powerful tools is appreciation. Start appreciating the money you already have, no matter how small or large it may be. For example, when you pay a bill, instead of thinking, "There goes my money," think, "I'm so grateful that I have the resources to pay for this." Gratitude creates a flow of abundance and attracts even more to you. Another important lesson is to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. If you're constantly saying, "I'm so broke," or "I'll never be able to afford that," you're reinforcing scarcity in your life. Instead, shift your focus to affirmations like, "Money is flowing to me effortlessly," or "Opportunities for wealth are everywhere, and I'm open to receiving them." Remember, your energy flows where your attention goes. The Hickses also emphasize the importance of letting go of resistance. Resistance shows up as limiting beliefs, doubts, or fears that block your ability to attract wealth. For example, if you think, "I'm not good with money," or "It's too hard to get rich," you're creating mental roadblocks. Replace those thoughts with empowering beliefs like, "I'm capable of creating wealth," or "Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways." Visualization is another powerful tool for attracting financial abundance. Close your eyes and picture your ideal financial situation. Imagine yourself enjoying your dream home, running a thriving business, or traveling the world. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already happening. The clearer your vision, the stronger your connection to the energy of wealth. The book also introduces segment intending. This is about setting positive intentions for different parts of your day. For example, before you start your workday, think, "I intend to attract productive opportunities and positive outcomes today." Or before checking your bank account, think, "I intend to feel calm and grateful no matter what I see." Segment intending helps you stay intentional and aligned with abundance throughout the day. One of my favorite lessons from the book is about inspired action. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking positive thoughts, it's also about acting on the opportunities the universe sends your way. When you feel a nudge to reach out to someone, apply for a job, or start a project, don't hesitate. These moments of inspiration are the universe guiding you towards your desires. The Hickses also emphasize the importance of reprogramming your beliefs about money. Many of us have inherited limiting beliefs like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or You have to work hard to get rich. Challenge these beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts like, wealth is everywhere and I'm ready to receive it, or I can create financial success with ease and joy. Here's a quick exercise from the book. Create a focus wheel. Write your financial goal in the center of a circle. For example, I want financial freedom. Around the circle, write positive statements that support your goal, like, I'm capable of creating wealth, or money flows to me easily and consistently. This exercise helps you build momentum and shift your focus to abundance. At its core, money and the law of attraction is about changing your relationship with money. It's not about chasing wealth, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and energy so wealth flows to you naturally. When you align with abundance, you open the doors to unlimited possibilities for financial freedom and joy. So, my friend, what financial abundance will you attract today? Remember, abundance is your birthright, and the universe is always ready to deliver. If this summary brought value to you, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to embrace financial abundance and success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.